Hello, boys and girls. I'm here to read you your last 10 words that you have to spell for this year. Yay! We're almost finished. So I'm going to say your 10 words that you have to spell. Remember to take your time, sound your words out, and make sure you pause the video after each word so you'll have enough time to spell them. Word number one, musical, circle, tropical, uncle, icicle, bicycle, miracle, comical, logical, and obstacle. Those are your 10 weekly words that you have to spell for this week. And that's it for second grade. No more spelling words for second grade. See you later. Bye.